Hello guys! Hello guys! For today's video, mag-unbox tayo ng parcel na dumating. Ito ay para sa ating preschooler. I-unbox na natin. Ang hirap pag one hand lang ah. Kaya tamad na kasi akong lumabas para sa... Mon, can you please help me? Open this.
Sure.
Ayan na. Wait. Off your video first. You need to off that one. Okay, thank you. So that is... Wow! What is this? Okay. Ooh! What's this? See? It's Handtrex bag. It's Handtrex. See?
Because they're like the same, okay?
Okay. So, meron na siyang trolley bag, pero nag-small bag kasi sila sa school. Especially pag PE day. Kaya, binilhan natin siya ng another mini bag na gustong-gusto niya. Ayan. Wow, may pocket size na sling. Ang ganda. Meron siyang sling. Oh, you have a pocket sling bag. Look at this.
Give it to
Wait
me.
lang ha.
Okay.
And also this one.
This is mine.
Okay, this one.
Oh, this is my purse.
Meron siyang bulsa. You know guys, this is from Jakarta, Indonesia pa pinaship. At mura lang doon. Ito ay 300 pesos only. 305
I
pesos.
knew that it was pink.
So, ayan. And, dalawang bulsa.
Let's
So, merong...
what's inside.
Saan na yung zipper nito? So, eto yung bulsa.
I can keep something in there. Mom,
Wait lang
let
muna.
me open my bag. I have an ID. I have an ID.
Hindi na naiya ang bag na. Okay, walang packet sa loob. So, pang small bag lang siya. Pang preschooler, guys. Ang ganda. Ayan. So, that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
This is my